Good morning. Welcome to the grand opening of our new flexible manufacturing facility here in Charlotte, Michigan. Today we celebrate this 85,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility which will produce the new F-Series Class 6 medium-duty truck. Our production of the F-Series truck is part of our expanded partnership with Isuzu. This facility represents a $6.5 million investment with 100 additional jobs to the local area. So it's exciting to be very flexible in how we can manufacture and partner with Isuzu.
We are very excited to be working with Isuzu to launch these exciting new products to the marketplace, and it represents further expansion of our relationship with Isuzu, who is an excellent partner, and we work very closely with them to make sure that we continue to move that relationship forward in a positive direction. Just this last week, we crossed over the 40,000th Isuzu branded vehicle. The projections and volume just continue to grow. He's very excited about the growth opportunities that it represents.